What's up, everybody? If you didn't know, Pete, the owner over at SpotTools, is having a wicked huge sale at the moment. So I got this latch for my new M18 random orbital sander, but dum-dum me ordered the M12 printed latch. I dug deep into Matt's 4th grade bag of tricks and changed the 2 to an 8. Look at that artwork. Pete also sent over the sander's insert for the ammo can, an insert that he designed. Look out for that in an upcoming reel. Shop 10 Spot, and if you are new or a long-time lurker, hit that follow button.